Hello all. Today we see about comparative and superlative adjectives. If you want to compare two things, use comparative adjectives. If you want to compare more than two things, use superlative adjectives. The commonly used adjectives that contain only one syllable or end in Y use ER to form comparatives and ES to form the superlatives, that is young, younger, youngest, old, older, oldest. Adjectives with two or more syllables but they do not change. You can add more to form comparatives and most to form superlatives. More respectable, most respectable. Some adjectives have different forms of comparatives and superlatives. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much or many, more, most. The examples are given quite clear. Amy is smarter than Betty. You want to compare between two subjects. How to use superlatives? By comparing older man in the town. So Tom is the oldest man in town. Paul is the tallest boy in the neighborhood. Please go through the exercise. Thank you.